Welcome back. Today, we'll practice everyday English on a rainy day. Listen, repeat, and shadow each sentence.
I'm hanging my wet cardigan. I'm hanging my wet cardigan. I'm taking off my wet sneakers. I'm taking off my wet sneakers. I'm drying my hair with a towel. I'm drying my hair with a towel. Oops, I forgot I still had my glasses on. Huh? Where did this water come from? I need a mop. I need a mop. I'm mopping the wet floor. I'm mopping the wet floor. I'm wiping the wet floor with a rag. I'm wiping the wet floor with a rag. My grandma gave it to me. She'll be upset if I don't take care of it. I'm trimming the dead stems from the plant. I'm trimming the dead stems from the plant. I'm wiping the mud from the floor. I'm wiping the mud from the floor. Oh, my hair is so messy. Oh well. I'm hungry, so I'm looking for something to eat. I'm looking for food to eat. I'm making tomato soup and grilled cheese tonight. The tomato soup is almost ready, and now I'm making grilled cheese. Yes! It's done, and now I'm pouring the tomato soup into my bowl.
A major storm is on the way.
Oh no, I hope it stops raining tomorrow. I have somewhere important to go to. It's raining and windy. I'm closing the window so that I can sleep. I'm so tired and sleepy. I really hope the rain stops. Good night.